Hey my lovelies, it's Lena. Today we're gonna do a quick little cleaning moment together, just wiping down some surfaces and making everything feel fresh again. And if you want chat with me personally, check link below. I usually begin with a soft cloth, just something gentle that won't scratch anything. I like to go slowly and not rush this part, just taking my time, moving from one spot to another. I wipe everything in smooth, even motions, trying not to miss the corners. Sometimes I go over the same area twice, especially if I feel like it needs a little extra attention. I also like to keep a consistent direction. It just makes everything look cleaner and more put together. And I try to stay relaxed while doing it, just breathing, not thinking too much. Kinda therapeutic, not gonna lie. Alright, my loves, that's it for today. Thank you so much for spending this little moment with me. I really hope it felt calm and a bit cozy for you. Take care of yourself and your space, and I'll see you in the next video.